Hello guys, you are welcome to my kitchen. My name is Mercy and today I will be showing you how I made this egg and potato breakfast recipe. If this is the first time you are coming to my kitchen, you are highly welcome. Please consider to subscribe because I will be sharing videos like this every week. And my subscribed friends who always watch, like and share my videos, I don't take your kindness for granted. Many thanks to you guys. So let's get started. We start by peeling the potatoes and slice them into slim sizes. So I decided to make use of Irish potato and sweet potato because I love the combination. So after slicing, I'll go ahead and give it a quick wash. So after washing it, I'll just drain it with a sieve. After the first wash, I wasn't satisfied with the look, so I decided to wash it again, and I drain it out. I drain the water out. Then I'll season it with salt and chili flakes. I also added a bit of black pepper to it. You can make use of any seasoning you like. Today I'm not going to season it heavily, so I use this pepper for it and some salt. So in order to get the seasoning and spices, in order to get the seasoning around the potato, I shake it. After shaking, then I'll go ahead and fry the potato. So while the potato is frying, I got ready the ingredients. So that is my garlic, my ginger, my white onion and green onion. The list of ingredients will be on the description box. Please kindly check it out. If you already like what you are seeing on this video, please kindly like this video. So this is my garlic crusher. So I'll use it to crush both the garlic and the ginger, mixing all the garlic, ginger and onion together. Now it's about 5 to 6 minutes later. I'm checking my potato, it's already cooked, so I will take them off the oil. After taking off the first batch out of the oil, I'll go ahead to fry the second batch. Now I'm using just one big fresh tomato for this sauce and 2 sausages, so I will slice them into small pieces, just the way it is here. I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in this saucepan. Right now I have white onion, the green onion, garlic and ginger, everything in the oil cooking, and I added the sausage now. So I will let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I added the tomato and I'll give it another quick fry for about 2 minutes. Then my salt and bouillon seasoning goes in. This egg and potato recipe is very delicious and it's perfect for breakfast, but sometimes because I like it, I can eat it in the afternoon for lunch. I can even have it for dinner. So while the onions is frying, I'll just quickly chop my pepper and drop it inside. See, as the color is changing, the aroma is just saturating all over the place, and I really love the aroma. So now I added the green peas to give it a bit of color. So while the green peas is cooking, now it's time to get the eggs in. So after cooking the egg for about 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll serve it like this. This is very delicious. The combination of Irish potato and sweet potato is just so yummy. Please, if you like this video, help us by clicking the like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.